Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. Dear friends, few days ago I show you unboxing of this light. In today's video I wanna give you a review, testing and disassemble of this light. Here you can see that there is power of this light. There is full power of this light. Here you can see there's that 5 LED inside this light. And there's cob light. There is front battery level indicator and charging level indicator. There is box of this light and some specification. For charging this, there is USB type C cable. There is charging level indicator. Now let's disassemble this light. Here you can see that there is some parts built with lithium-ion battery cells. So friends, that's all about from my this video. I hope you will learn something useful from me. So don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon for my next electronic project notification. Have a great day.